Hello everyone, Pamela here with TechTALK Live. Today I will be showing you how to add emojis to a document. In a recent class that I had, there was the need to add emojis to a Word document, and it puzzled some. So today I want to show you how to do this, and it's so easy once you know how. So you take your cursor and you point it to the bottom taskbar. There's this blank spot to the bottom right hand side of your screen. You can click here, that's one option, or you can click the up arrow that shows hidden icons, but you right click this spot. It opens up this taskbar and you go up to where it says show touch keypad button. You click that button, and once you would have done that, I'll do it again. Right click, click show keyboard, and the keyboard becomes available on the bottom right hand side of your screen. Then you left click that. That opens up the keyboard, and over on the far left on the bottom you'll see the emoji button. You click that and there are your emojis, free for you to select for your choice and add it to your document. I love hearts, so I'm going to pick the red heart and I'm going to put it over in the okay. Let's see. Well, I can't put it over here. Okay, so nope, no good. But that's how it's done. You select it and then you paste it into your document. Thank you for watching. Have a great evening and be sure to like this video. Thank you. Bye.